Your home should work for you, not add to your daily chore list. To separate real innovation from overhyped junk, we cross-referenced long-term durability data from rigorous testing platforms like Wirecutter. This guide is entirely independent and unsponsored. Honest links are waiting in the description. Keep a close eye out for a hidden gadget that completely automates a painful chore you still do by hand. Plus, a clever tool that rescues your dinners from accidental, greasy disasters.
Standing over a hot stove, constantly stirring sauces to keep them from burning is exhausting. This hands-free accessory sweeps the bottom of your pot automatically. It self-adjusts to fit different pans, keeping gravies and risottos smooth without scorching. It lets you step away, creating a relaxed cooking experience. Sticky juice running down your arms while struggling to chop heavy melons with dangerous knives is a nightmare. This heavy-duty kitchen divider cuts through large watermelons in one smooth motion, dividing them into 12 perfect slices. It keeps your hands clean and safe while saving massive food prep time. Digging through chaotic pantries, mystery containers, and messy drawers trying to find items is incredibly annoying. This pocket-sized device connects to your phone, letting you print custom tags in seconds. It uses no expensive ink, giving you a satisfying, clear way to transform household clutter into an organized space. A tangled mess of appliance cords cluttering your countertops makes your kitchen feel chaotic and messy. This adhesive wrapping solution sticks to the back of blenders and mixers, keeping power cords neatly wrapped. It prevents damage, frees up storage space, and makes meal prep safer and far more organized. Missing family appointments and cluttered paper notes scattered across your kitchen lead to constant chaos. This sleek, clear acrylic board mounts securely to your fridge with ultra-strong magnets. You can easily write, erase, and color code your plans so everyone stays organized and on the same page. Dirty jewelry, dull eyeglasses, and grime-caked watches can make your favorite accessories look old and worn. This compact device uses sound waves to blast away dirt from every crevice. Using only ordinary tap water, it restores brilliant sparkle in minutes, saving you expensive professional cleaning fees. Touching a germ-filled bin lid while cooking with messy, raw ingredients is highly unhygienic. This modern disposal unit solves this with a touch-free sensor that flips open automatically. Crafted from fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, it seals in unpleasant odors, keeping your hands clean and your kitchen smelling fresh. Straining your back, wrists, and fingers every time you lift a heavy mattress to tuck sheets is exhausting. This wedge tool glides smoothly between mattress and box spring, keeping it elevated. This lets you tuck sheets quickly and effortlessly, turning a painful workout into a fast, completely hassle-free breeze. Fumbling around dark countertops because installing hardwired lighting is too expensive is a major daily annoyance. These wireless LED bars feature motion sensors that instantly illuminate your workspace. They attach magnetically without drilling or wiring. When low on power, simply pop them off to recharge easily via USB. Ugly pet stains, spilled wine, or ground-in dirt can easily ruin your carpets and upholstery. This compact spot cleaner combines powerful liquid spray and deep suction to erase tough stains in seconds. Its portable design easily reaches car seats, stairs, and rugs, restoring your fabric without professional detailing fees. Choking down lukewarm water from cheap plastic bottles that spill in your car is a terrible experience. This rugged, insulated tumbler features double-wall vacuum protection to keep beverages ice cold for hours. Designed with an ergonomic handle and leak-resistant lid, it fits perfectly in cup holders, making daily hydration effortless and clean. Craving rich ice cream but wanting to avoid artificial ingredients or dairy can feel impossible. This powerful machine transforms almost any frozen base into smooth, scoopable treats with a single button. Whether you want protein-packed gelato or sorbet, Its motor shaves frozen blocks into velvety perfection, giving you guilt-free custom desserts. Accidentally dumping too much oil adds unwanted calories and turns crisp meals into greasy disasters. This glass dispenser solves this by releasing an ultra-fine, consistent mist with a simple squeeze. It lets you lightly coat salads and pans with absolute precision, helping you cook healthier meals without messy drips. Sweating through outdoor chores or hot commutes while trying to keep your hands free is miserable. This wearable device wraps comfortably around your collar to deliver an instant, quiet breeze. Bladeless technology prevents long hair from getting caught. It features adjustable speeds and a long-lasting battery to keep you refreshed anywhere. Spending daily on watered-down iced coffee from local cafes quickly drains your wallet. This refrigerator infuser lets you craft incredibly smooth, low-acid beverages overnight, right at home. Its airtight lid seals in the rich flavor, keeping your custom brew fresh for weeks. You get barista-quality drinks on demand while saving hundreds. Waiting hours for warm freezer trays or running to the gas station for ice is frustrating. This countertop machine solves the problem, churning out fresh cubes in 6 minutes. It sits compactly in your kitchen without permanent plumbing. With its automated self-cleaning function, you get pure, odor-free results at a single touch. Knowing your toothbrush is exposed to airborne bathroom germs every time you flush is truly disgusting. This compact, portable shield sterilizes your bristles using advanced ultraviolet light. It safely kills up to 99% of bacteria on a molecular level, giving you total peace of mind every time you brush. Cluttered under-sink cabinets where cleaning supplies get lost in dark corners make organizing feel hopeless. This smart 2-tier rack features smooth sliding drawers that bring your bottles right to your fingertips. It utilizes vertical space to instantly double your storage, transforming chaotic clutter into clean, functional space. Spending 40 minutes crying over onions and chopping vegetables for dinner is incredibly tedious. This smart culinary grid lets you dice, slice, and spiralize ingredients with a single downward press. It collects everything in a built-in tray, making healthy prep lightning fast, without messy countertops or painful hand fatigue. Struggling with dull manual cutters that strain your wrists and leave sharp edges is painful. This automated tool opens any lid hands-free with a single press. It walks around the rim and stops automatically, leaving a perfectly smooth, safe edge. It is a complete game changer for hand comfort.